How to use bold, italic, and underline. Generally, bold, italic, and underline are used to add emphasis to writing, to make something stand out as important. However, there are some guidelines and restraints. Before we look at them, just a quick reminder, continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, then the bell icon, then all. So let's consider bold. Use bold to highlight text you want to emphasize and make stand out to capture the reader's attention, or draw attention to something important. Here's an example. The picture shows an electrical socket crammed with plugs. The sentence reads, "It can be dangerous to overload an electrical socket." Dangerous in bold adds emphasis. Next, use italic for one, text you want to emphasize and make stand out to capture the reader's attention or draw attention to something important, as with bold. And two, to highlight titles or the names of books and other publications. Three, to indicate foreign words or technical terms. And four, to indicate a quote or dialogue. Note, bold gives stronger emphasis than italic. If you want to make italic stronger, use bold italic. Here's an example. The picture shows the abbreviation EG. The sentence reads, "The abbreviation EG is from the Latin phrase exempli gratia, which means for example." Notice how exempli gratia in italics stands out. Next, underline. You can use underline to highlight text you want to emphasize and make stand out to capture the reader's attention or draw attention to something important, as with bold and italic. However, be aware that underlined text is often associated with a link to a website or to another part of a hyperlinked document. So think of your audience. Will an underline cause confusion? Then choose either bold or italic as your method of emphasis. Here's an example of using underline. The picture shows a note stuck on a fridge door. The sentence reads, "She left a note for her husband on the fridge door which read, 'Your dinner is in the fridge. Heat it in the microwave for at least 4 minutes. Notice how underlined at least stands out. A final word of caution. It's easy to overuse bold, italic, and underline. If too many words, phrases, or sentences are highlighted in bold, italic, or underline, then nothing will stand out. Additionally, you run the risk of annoying your reader, as text that is filled with emphasized words can be difficult to read, or just plain distracting, as in this paragraph. So be judicious in their use. When you do use bold, italic, or underline, the reader will understand that this word or phrase truly is important. Has this video helped you? Like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.